ThinXXS Microtechnology enables you to bring your microfluidic consumables to life. Join us for a look behind the scenes at our state-of-the-art facilities. Controlled conditions and strict environmental protocols are essential in microfluidics manufacturing. By leveraging our leading-edge machinery and cleanroom facilities, we reduce risk and minimize upfront costs in your development, while ensuring you receive components that meet the exacting quality and cleanliness standards your application requires. From pilot line to full-scale production, our team can support the scale-up and transfer to manufacturing. Our in-house fabrication of tools, molds, and fixtures speeds up turnaround times and ensures complete control of quality requirements. We aim to exceed your quality and reliability expectations because we understand your application and what's at stake. At every stage, you'll be talking directly to seasoned experts from a variety of fields, including engineering, microbiology, and chemistry. We support your success through seamless collaboration, keeping time to market at the forefront. As a result, you'll get to market faster and more confidently achieve your goals. When needed, you can leverage our proven portfolio of microfluidic solutions to accelerate your development. Our experts can design and integrate reliable functionalities like sample handling, wet and dry reagent management, and assay detection into your microfluidic system, ensuring a streamlined path to success. With expertise in microfluidic design and manufacturing, we ensure your microfluidic consumable is economically manufacturable and meets your performance requirements. We're with you from concept and prototyping to pilot line runs and full-scale production. Our team ensures a seamless transition to manufacturing. We utilize ISO 13485 quality management processes and operate the best facilities and equipment to create, assemble, quality control, and package your microfluidic consumables. As part of the IDEX Health and Science family, ThinXXS combines microfluidic expertise with trusted scale and support as a global leader in life sciences. Your path to microfluidic innovation starts here. Explore more at thinxxs.com.